Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 2972 Lower Lake Road on gorgeous Cayuga Lake.
This is a fantastic ranch property with 56 feet of level lakefront. So let's take a tour. Welcome your family and friends in this spacious foyer with multiple closets and lake views.
This is one-floor living at its best with a great room featuring pine ceilings, a brick fireplace, and a wall of windows to take in those lake views. Open to an eat-in kitchen with pine cabinetry, tile floors, and an adjacent laundry. This home also features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Enjoy 56 feet of serene stone beach with breathtaking Cayuga Lake views.
Nearby is Cayuga Lake State Park and the village of Seneca Falls on the historic Erie Canal. Seneca Falls is famous for its museum on women's rights. For anyone who appreciates history and being by the lake, this is the perfect place for you.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2972 Lower Lake Road on gorgeous Cayuga Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!